Hi everybody. I wanted to do a video really quickly to really showcase an idea that I thought I had. And what that idea basically was, I saw somebody use the gamer template the other day to make a border with. And I thought, that's brilliant. So I'm going back to using one of my old club sets, Trailblazer, because I just got back from Arizona. And it is, of course, the absolute perfect paper for it. So I'm going to put all my pictures on this. But this paper had like the mountainous type things on it as well as the teepees and stuff like that. But I thought, oh my God, why not take the Alacarte mountain and do the same thing with making a border with it? So I wanted to go ahead and try the process and see how it worked. And you guys can kind of join along with me because this is a total experiment. And just do myself a little thing here. We can vary it a little bit if we want. I can also flip it just to give it a little bit more character as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the valleys on this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give them that really beveled edge there, the same way that this is, so that when I flip the border, the other side of this kind of matches those same peaks. And I can do that by either beveling down and curving this inside, or I can point this top side a little bit more. So I think I'm gonna kind of do a little bit of both. I'm gonna point this just a little bit more heavily here, and then I'm just gonna kind of curve this a little bit more here so that we have matching peaks and valleys. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut down my piece to give myself a nice strip to work with. Okay, and here we go. Are you ready? I'm excited. Okay, I've never done this before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. And again, you can see I'm not exactly following what I drew. I'm kind of improvising a little bit. And you can do that with these templates. Just because you've drawn something a certain way doesn't mean you can't kind of change it up just a tad. I'm really excited, guys. Okay. Never thought to do this before. Okay. That was a little sharp, but that's okay. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm getting kind of up and out of focus on this one. It's getting a little hard to control my scissors. They don't like turning very sharply in tight corners. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's actually really cool. All right, I am going to take my eraser. I don't normally erase pencil lines, even though I'm going to do brown, because I did kind of really change up where I did some of the cuts. I'm going to go ahead and run my eraser through. If you are a person that likes to erase your lines, my tip for the day on this is go buy one of the Pentel white polymer erasers, because those red rubber ones, honestly, are just junk. These white ones will really take out all these nice pencil marks. So as long as you're not pushing down really hard with your pencil and you're just kind of lightly tracing it out, these erasers will get that out of there really nicely. Okay, so I am going to go ahead, get my table all clean, because I'm like that. And then I'm going to ink this guy. Oh gosh, I'm really excited about this, y'all. I didn't think about this before until I saw that gamer template. And then the new one that came out with a new club set is so beautiful with layering those wonderful flower sets in it. So I think we're actually going to really start taking these templates to another level, y'all. I really think that a lot of people are coming out with some really beautiful ideas on how to change some of these templates up. You know what? I like this peak here, but I'm going to go ahead and take that off because I think I'm going to be a little bit happier, yeah, with that. I don't like that as drastic on that peak there. And again, there's nothing that says I can't do that. I promise I'm not the template police and I won't come barging down your door going, you can't do that with your templates. You have to use them a certain way. No, use them however you would like. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna bring this peak down. Just like so. Okay. Oh my gosh, I really like this, y'all. Ah, I can't wait to use this. Cannot wait, because that's gonna go like that. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what I've gotten. This is what I've come up with. I may change this peak to kind of go here and come down, just to have a little bit of continuity throughout the whole thing. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna pull this just like that. Just like so. Yep, like that better. Okay. So again, you can change up and you can do whatever you like with this. And I will go ahead at the end of the video and I will put up a picture of the layout that I've done with this in mind. And I hope you guys really like it because this is just a brilliant idea. And again, it was taken from the gal that did the gamer template and repeated the new gamer a la carte. And she alternated the gamer piece to make a new border with it. So I thought that was just absolutely brilliant. And I will link her as well. I'll link her picture there in the comments as well. Thanks for watching.